Good morning, everyone. Dr. Andrew Rothschild here, physical therapist with the Virginia Center for Spine and Sports Therapy. Happy Friday. Hope everybody had a good week and look forward to a good weekend. Looks like the weather's going to be good. So today, Foodie Friday. Spice up your life. So what does that mean? Well, it means add spice to and flavors to your cooking. One recommendation that Michael Pollan gives in his book, Food Rules, which I have referenced multiple times, is sweeten and salt your own food. So a lot of times people, when you buy foods or pre-made foods, whether it's frozen foods or packaged foods, a lot of times salt is used as a preservative, and it's a lot of salt in there, and things are already sweetened, and they can be overly sweetened and get too much of the refined sugars we've talked about is not necessarily desirable. But when you make your own food, you can salt it and sweeten it yourself, and then you have a little more control over how much you're doing. Plus, everyone has their own individual likes and dislikes, and you can, flavor it the way you want. But with spices, and I don't necessarily mean spicy as in hot, but using a variety of spices adds not only wonderful flavor to the cooking and lets you experiment and be creative, but it also has a lot of other health benefits. There's a lot of other phytonutrients and antioxidants that many of the spices contain. We've talked about things in the past, just things like turmeric, which is used in a lot of Indian cooking, and there's a lot of evidence that there's very powerful anti-inflammatory properties in turmeric, which may be very protective for things like cardiovascular issues and other joint-related pain like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis can help with pain management in those situations. So using things like turmeric and ginger and basil and oregano and other types of Italian seasoning in your cooking can bring a lot of stuff from a flavor standpoint, as well as, like I mentioned, antioxidant properties, anti-inflammatory properties, and other types of phytonutrients that are found in plants. So if you're starting to cook more on your own, or you're following recipes and they call for different spices, and you kind of learn what you like and what kind of flavor combinations you like, experiment with that. Use different spices. Use it when you're making something like with an apple or peaches or other types of fruit. Sometimes using things like cinnamon and nutmeg and cardamom and cloves. Other things really help accentuate certain flavors and have other health benefits to it. So adding spice can not only make your food more exciting, but also has health benefits as well. All right, that is my soapbox for today. Hope everybody has a wonderful day. Remember, you can find us on the web, vcsst.com. You can always call 804-249-8277 to make an appointment. You can email me directly, andrew@vcsst.com. And remember to share this with your family and friends if you find it. Might be doing this more on YouTube now because it seems to be working a little bit better than Facebook. And I will post that on Facebook just to let people know. And remember, check out the latest episode of the Physical Therapy Soapbox podcast, part 2 with Dr. Michael Meisner, behavioral psychologist, talking about sleep hygiene and really the benefits that you get from sleep and the importance of sleep. Some great episodes coming up in the future. Bringing back Dr. Jennifer Hopp, talking about adolescent upper and lower extremity type common injuries and management, as well as some information about CrossFit and more stuff to come. Have a great weekend. Talk to y'all later. Bye.